how to turn on or turn off your phone on Android 17. Now to do so, you have two options. You can press on the side button here plus the volume up key. Press on both keys at the same time and let go quickly. This will bring up the power menu. Then you can tap on power off. This will shut down the phone. To turn on the phone again, simply press and hold on the side button. And on your Android 17, this will power up the device. Now the other option is to pull down the quick settings menu up here. So swipe down and swipe down here. There is a settings icon or the power button. So you can tap on the power button here. This will bring up the power menu. And then from here, you can choose power off. And that's the same thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.